Hello everyone, today we will talk something about intermittent claudication. That is a simple terminal. In simple words, I will explain that if you are experiencing any pain in your lower limb while doing exercise or while walking, then it can be intermittent claudication. So I will show you some few stretches and exercises how you can relieve your intermittent claudication pain. Usually it goes at the rest, but people stop walking because of pain they get during activities. So don't stop. Instead, just try these few exercises and then you can gain some good muscle strength and overcome that pain. So first I will show you the simple stretches. First one is your calf stretch. Usually people get pain over here in their calf muscles while walking. So what you can do is just sit like this, take your ankle inside and let your calf get stretched. Take as much as you can, stretch your calf and relax. Again, take your ankle in. You need to feel a good muscle stretch at back of your leg here. Just stretch it and relax. Also for hamstrings, the back of our thigh, what you can do is just lie down like this, keep your legs straight and push it from your knee. Just stretch your leg and relax. I'll show you once again. Just lift your leg up, stretch it. Your leg should be complete straight and relax. And for your quads, the front of our thigh, just go in the side lying position like this. Hold your ankle here, and what you need to do is just pull your ankle towards your back and you will feel a stretch here. Just pull it and relax. Again, I'll show you. Hold your ankle, just pull it and relax. So these are the three stretches you need to do before starting the exercises. Now I'll show you some simple exercises how you need to strengthen your lower limb muscles. So first we will do with some ankle strengthening. So what you can do here is just take your ankle in and out. We need to do a pumping action with your ankle because the calf muscle here also acts a good muscle. It is also known as the second heart of our body because it pumps the blood to the heart. So what we will do is just pumping action of calf. So take your ankle out, in, out. Follow a good rhythm for this exercise. Don't be too fast, don't be too slow, and don't take hold between any two movements. Just do this pumping action. You need to do 10 repetitions and 3 times and relax. While doing this exercise, you may feel a little bit of discomfort in your calf, but it's okay. Try overcoming that pain. If you gain a good endurance and good strength, then only you can overcome with the pain. So don't stop if you are getting any pain. Now the third is ankle rotations. So we will start with some rotational movements. You can see I am doing with my both sides. Try rotating it and try activating all your ankle muscles. Do it anti-clockwise. Okay, after ankle rotations, we will focus on some other lower limb muscle strengthening. So we can strengthen the quads and our hams after strengthening the lower leg muscles. So for hamstrings, what we can do is just bend one leg like this and you need to lift this leg straight up. Don't lift it above your knee level. We don't want this high. Just lift it here and take your ankle inwards. Just hold and relax. Again, lift your leg up, take your ankle in, hold it and relax. Again, lift up, hold it and relax. So this way you can strengthen your hamstring muscles, which is located here. Now you need to do some quadriceps strengthening. So what you can do is just sit like this and you need to just raise your legs, take your ankle inwards and relax. Again, raise your leg, take your ankle in and relax. I'll show you once again. Lift up, take your ankle in and relax. So these are the basic lower limb muscle strengthening exercises, but there are few activities which you can continue doing to build up endurance in your lower legs, so there will be no difficulty in walking or any exercises and you will not get pain. So what you can do is just stand like this, hold on to something like any bed or any chair or anything, and what you have to do is in standing you need to do your toe raises. Just raise on your toe. This can also provide some good pumping action in your calf muscles. So you have to just do this thing. Just lift up and relax. Stand on your toes and relax. The second thing what you can do to improve your endurance is do a knee tap. Just tap it as you are doing a stepper. Just tap. So this can increase your endurance in your lower leg muscles, because it will help you a lot if you are suffering from intermittent claudication. Do all the stretches for 3 times, all the exercises repeat it for at least 10 reps and do it for 3 times. And endurance activities you can do up till your fatigue level. If you don't feel fatigue and you can push your limits, then do it up to that level. So I hope you find this video useful. Thank you.